Hey everyone, okay, so in this video I am going to show you all how I customize and install this wig using a glueless lace wig kit. I call it the Wig Essentials kit, and if you're interested in seeing it start to finish, definitely continue to watch. So the wig that I'll be working with comes from Luvme hair company. They sent over their own little install kit. It comes with like a nice little satin wrap, bobby pins, an elastic band, an edge brush, a cute little decorative pin, and tweezers as well. It's definitely something to keep, especially with your customizing wigs. So this is their water wave 20 inches 4x4 closure wig. I did bleach the knots already, but that band, the company already has the elastic bands installed, and they also have this super long comb in the nape for added security. And the hairline already comes pre-plucked. Now let's get into the kit that's going to help us install this wig. You'll find it on dolcemateo.com. When you open up your package, you'll see that you have a coupon code for your next purchase. And this kit comes with a whole bunch of goodies that's just going to help you install your wig. You're going to get combs, you're going to get edge brushes and lace melt band, your tweezer. You're going to get a little lace cutting shears as well. This is the lace gel that's going to help us get that melted look, and the wax stick that's going to help tame everything together, and a headband to keep everything nice and dry. So I'm going to pin the wig down. I'm pinning the wig, and then I'm going to pin the lace as well, just to get everything ready for customization. I'm going in with my wax stick and then my hot comb to tame away to tame any flyaways pretty much. And then I'm going to use the tweezer comb to kind of tweeze behind the pre-plucked hairline. You guys see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to just section off the very front of that hairline and tweeze behind it just a little bit, not too much, because the hairline is pre-plucked. So that's a good thing. You won't have to pluck too much. So this is pretty much all the hair that I removed. I'm gonna comb everything back in place, and yeah, so that's pretty much all that I needed to do, because everything else was pretty much done as far as like customizing and plucking. But now I'm just going to add some baby hairs. I'm just gonna do two nice little hairs on the side, or what some would say is baby hairs. So yeah, I'm doing two little baby hairs, and I am going to be doing a center part. So I'm just going to use my wax stick to just lay down the hairs with the hot comb. So definitely grab your wax stick. Like if you're a wig enthusiast, if you make wigs or customize wigs, I know some people like to use mousse to help them lay and mold their wigs. Personally, I love the wax stick, especially when they're like non-greasy. They don't really weigh down the hair. They just give it a nice firm hold. Like this one, I definitely stand by a wax stick. Just making your wig extra is super flat, okay? But yeah, so there we have our customized wig. I'm now going to go in with this lace gel. Of course, I'm going to cut my baby hairs and kind of tweeze them just a little bit, just so that they're not super thick or too exaggerated. But this lace gel is definitely one that helps to lay the hairs down, and it allows it for like a flexible hold, so that you're able to, maneuver your hairs into place. I like to use this in combination with like my Afro G mousse, just to get a nice hold on the baby hair, so I don't necessarily have to put the hair under the dryer. As you guys can see, it's already like laying into place as I'm swooping it. So I do like using the lace gel for my baby hairs, and I like to also use it to actually install my wigs to give it like that melted look. Even though all of my wigs are glueless, I still like that melted look. So yeah, I definitely love using this lace gel. And so here I am, I'm wearing my headband after I did my makeup. They're machine washable, so that makeup can come right off. Here I am with the lace gel again. I'm going to just wipe my hairline, get rid of some of that makeup, and I'm just going to squeeze just a little bit, and I'm going to use the nozzle to kind of just spread the product across my forehead, since I am working with the 4x4 closure. If you're doing a frontal, of course you're going to go from ear to ear, and I just use some cool air, which is why I'm using this little fan, just to kind of help that gel get tacky. And now of course we're going to cut our lace. Voila. I'm going to go in with some powder because the lace is transparent, and this just helps it to blend a little bit more into my skin. And you guys pretty much see how self-explanatory this part is. But yeah, I'm just going to lay that lace right on top of that lace gel. And because it's already tacky, the lace just instantly sticks to the product. And I'm going to use my lace melt band as well to help the melting process. It's a Velcro closure, so it's reusable pretty much. And I'm going to continue to just lay this wig and make sure my part is in the center and everything. And yeah, there you go. And this lace gel actually holds the wig down, okay? It holds it down, and it smells super good. It's definitely not your got to be gel or anything like that. It's definitely one that I love. It's not waterproof, so it does come off with water. And it was perfect to use with this wig, as Luvme Hair is pretty much known for very good quality wigs. I love this water wave pattern, so I'm definitely going to leave the link down below so that you guys can check it out. And also there's a coupon code there so that you guys can save at checkout. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.